Alright, so today guys I want to take a look at this oil filter removal tool set from Orion Motor Tech. It's a two-piece adjustable oil filter wrench set for 60 to 80 millimeter or 2.4 inch to 3.2 inch and 80 to 105 millimeter or 3.2 inch to 4.1 inch oil filters. And this is the Orion Motor Tech model number MPN2LQWAD02-00. And you can use this with either a 1/2 inch square drive ratchet or a 22 millimeter wrench. So obviously your ratchet, 1/2 inch square drive here, or you can use the hex here, which would require the 22 millimeter wrench. And these are powder coated blue. Here you can clearly see that they have serrated teeth to grip the filter. As per the website, it states that these are made from 40 CR steel, which is a Chinese alloy steel used in the machine building industry. It's a standard grade of steel that's known for its good mechanical properties. 40 CR steel is a steel alloy with a chemical composition of 0.37 to 0.44% carbon and 0.8 to 1.0% chromium. So here you see the two on an oil filter. The one on the right I have on the filter that I use for my Honda CR-V. And then my neighbor let me borrow his larger filter that he uses on his Ford pickup, so we can kind of see how these fit. And as you can see, they have a spring, which I like. That spring, when you expand and when you go to draw it back, I'm going to show you how that is, it pulls it in automatically. Now they both came inside this box. They have this foam, and they have a manual in case one would have to use it, but you shouldn't have to, obviously. Now, as stated earlier, these come in 1/2 inch drive. Now, for changing filters, I much prefer 3/8 inch. So, I'm going to use this 3/8 square to 1/2 inch square drive adapter. Alright, so now we just need a filter. And so, the way these operate, this is kind of cool. So let's see which way I have this. Okay, so right now this is to take it off. Okay, I've got, this would take it off. So now let me go to the opposite direction, and now watch this mechanism here. See how that's pretty cool, isn't it? And now you're putting your filter on. I think that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at that again. Yeah, I like that. That is pretty badass. So now let's take that and now that's going to grip that, and that will now put your filter on. You change directions. And now we are taking the filter off. So let's take a look at the smaller diameter filter. Now this does, there it is. The smaller one, when it does transition from one way to the other, it's a little more snugger. I think it's because these arms are shorter. You just gotta give it a little bit more. Okay, there you go. But yeah, these are pretty cool. I like these. So now that you've seen them in action, let's take a close-up look at these.